Spin around, double under. Sonic, Sonic. Woo! The double under, try to Sonic. There it is. Arms on the way, arms on. Step right up. Come on. Drop the drop. This is a technique that I hit in Salt Lake City. Had a little tournament out there. Guy was in turtle, being really, really solid, really protecting himself, and what's it called? Had him, advanced position. So I got double unders on him. Break it down real quick. Call this move the Sonic. So you're rolling him through. So he's here. He's really tight. He's not letting me get a seatbelt right. He's not letting me get anything. But when I can start opening up, because there's a bigger gap here than there would be up here, I can start digging under, get my double unders right here. Good gable grip going right on like mid-chest. Pinning really tight to him. Elbowing down. Really staying really tight to him. Now I'm up on my toes here, bouncing around. And then what I want to do is head plant here. And then I'm going to hop him through, kind of bridging him over, staying on my head the whole time. And as soon as I take him over, I'm throwing both hooks in at the same time. Here. And then throwing both hooks in at the same time. And then start initiating your chokes, of course. It's a good move that I've used in competitions now. I've definitely had some success with it. So try it out. Maybe you like it too.